Hey YouTube, Dream Projects here, back with another video with coding in Python. This time, I'm just going to show you guys a real quick, nice, and easy variable and string function. So, this is my variable. Okay, so character name is my variable, and let's say the name is John, okay? John. So now I have John stored in the character name. I'm sure you guys mastered that by now if you watch my other videos. And so character age is 17. Let's say John was 17. So then, character age is equal to 17. And by the way, you don't really need to have parentheses around it when you're using variables or strings, but I guess it looks more professional, but takes more time. But let's not talk about that right now, because what we are doing is trying to make a story. Using Python, of course, but let's get started. So, well, we already started, but print. So let's print up, quotation mark, there once was a man named space, quotation mark, again, if you haven't seen my last videos, I do the space, so it doesn't print named, and then, what's the next character name, John, there's a space between, because if I don't have the space after, named, then, it would go directly named, and then John, there, it would be like one word. I mean, who cares, who likes that? So I'll just type it again for you guys. The more you type in Python, the faster your typing speed gets. So, I mean, yeah. I'm not that fast at typing, but it doesn't really matter, so I'm just going to type it up real quick for you guys. Print. There once was a man named plus character, let's go with name instead of age, so, and then I also want to add a comma, quotation mark, comma, so then, I would just go like this, and then I would just do print, he was 17. I'm using the string instead, or variable instead of it. String or variable instead of it. And then years old, because we want the story to be, there once was a man named John. He was 17 years old. Right? Yeah, that's good. Teachers should really use this Python. Tell them to watch my videos. Okay, actually don't tell them, but whatever. So, next we want to do is, he really liked the name. Plus character name plus quotation mark, then we have print, but he did not like being 17 years old. Or we could just end at 17. I mean, why not? Totally cool with that, Giraffe Academy. Totally cool with that. Totally. So then we have comma. And then we run it. Or I run it twice by accident. So let's just delete this. Oh, my hard work. Okay. And then it goes like this. There once was a man named John, comma. He was 17 years old. He really liked the name John, but he did not like being 17, comma. No, I don't like that. We should put a period instead of a comma, my bad. on, of course, more, maybe his character. You could add another variable or character home, and then you could go house. I have no idea. Okay, house. Maybe you could do house or house. Z house. I need to enter Z house. Okay, so yeah, I mean you could do that. I didn't even use house, but you could add on more of those things. They were just a short, cool, quick, cool variable string activity, I guess. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it.